Welcome back to another video. This is the latest update. Blizzard is currently recruiting for a senior software engineer, who will be responsible for creating vehicles in a robust first-person engine for an unannounced game. If that last phrase sounds familiar, it's because Blizzard was recruiting for what's likely the same project in November last year. The successful applicant will not only create the vehicles, but will also be responsible for their handling features. Aside from that, there aren't really any other details which could help shed light on the unannounced project. The big takeaway is, Blizzard's next game will have vehicles. The listing specified that a familiarity with Overwatch was preferred, which confirms my completely unsubstantiated suspicion that this unannounced project is some kind of Overwatch campaign offshoot or, perhaps, a Destiny-esque PvE title. Another listing in June also specified that its applicant needed to have previous experience working on first-person or other action-oriented games. That's a solid year of development at least, but Blizzard is still showing no signs of making an announcement. Perhaps it will at BlizzCon next year. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button for more such future updates. Thank you.